Alright, today it's Monday, March the 18th, and what we have here, it's a low power test station for a 2100 board. This 2100 board is being powered with 24 volts AC. We're not powering the transformer. We are looking at the two SCR outputs with our test box, and potentially what we could do here is basically look open circuit voltage, or have a 4 ohm resistor to simulate the SCR and look across it. We're basically looking at the two driving signals for the SCRs, and here we'll be looking at our reference or delay angle and the output for SCR1 or SCR2 that I can toggle here. So let's go ahead and by the way, this test is in open loop mode. Let's go ahead and turn it on. We power the board, and we have our reference 60 cycles, a 50% duty cycle on test point 7 or reference. Then we have our delay angle, and we don't have an output yet. I noticed that because the sig high is at 0. Is it at, am I at sig high, Tony? Can you go ahead and give me sig high? Sig high is our delay command. It's at 0. The 2100 board has a low signal inhibit. That's why we have that red LED, which will not clear until I increase sig high here with my potentiometer to about 0.4 of a volt. In this particular case, it cleared it, so I'm already at 5 here, a little over 5, and I've already cleared that. So what I have here is, on my scope, I can show that there's the reference, there's the delay angle, and as sig high changes, I have slowly increasing. We see the delay angle following, and I'm going to stop right there. I have 3.21 volts on the command. The board is happy, doesn't have that red LED, and again, now the reference doesn't change, it's just a 0 cross. This has adjusted accordingly, and we see that the output increases as follows. Now that's on the first output. If I go to the second one, if you notice with respect to the time, the other one will be 180 degrees, but it has the same. Alright, so here I go there, and the way I have it set up, I'm going to 5.7, and that's 5.9. Let me go to the other one, and there we are. Alright, that's how we can tell that the board is working okay at low power, looking at the two SCR outputs, changing the delay angle from 0 to, what was it, 5.9, although effectively it goes from half a volt to 5.9. The LED, it's okay, and we can follow the corresponding at 0, which, you know, basically it's what I'm dialing, 0 to half a volt, and then all the way to we say 6 volts. So I have 5.9, and that's when I have the maximum output. Alright, so this is how the board works at low power. Now we're going to connect the ISO tube, and we're going to check that we basically have the same control here. Now the connections that we looked on this video were, we didn't power through the transformer, we powered through the primary of the transformer, we powered through the secondary. We took a look at the outputs. The test points that we looked at were the reference, test point 7, the TP8 is the delay angle, and you could measure TP9, but on this particular case we were looking at the output of the pulse modules, open circuit voltage, and we were bringing in our sig high between J1 positions 10 and 11, and of course at some point we had to enable the board. So this is the end of this first video.